So welcome to the Yorkshire Wolds on another sunny afternoon, and here we have a beautiful 1958 Jaguar XK150. This is a very special car, very unusual in terms of the way that it's been modernised. Over the years we've had lots of experience with XKs, and as a Jaguar dealer principal I've probably known the model for over 40 years. What the owner of this particular car has tried to do is to create something in the spirit of the original with much more modern Jaguar mechanicals. Still in the same genre, so it still has the wonderful twin overhead cam XK engine. In this case though, it's a later one. It's a 4.2 litre with fuel injection. That's mated to a 5-speed gearbox, so instead of the old 4-speed with overdrive, this has a 5-speed gearbox and a power lock differential. She's sitting on low profile tyres, 215/65/16 tyres instead of the 16-inch cross plies that it would have originally had, and that transforms the ride of the car. It's got a much softer and more supple ride, the steering is much more precise, and in all respects, in the way the car drives, it's very modern. It's perfectly capable of keeping up with modern traffic. Nice induction sound there. It's a very supple car to ride in, and as a driver it feels much more squat than any XK that I've ever ridden in before or driven before. It does really feel like something you could tour in. Very forgiving over bumps, very precise on steering. And the performance is absolutely glorious. I'm told there's around 138,000 gone into this as a project during its restoration, and that's a number of years ago. Features air conditioning, electric windows, central locking, an alarm system. Very comprehensively equipped. The seats apparently are from a Jaguar XJS, and they're very comfortable too. There's only one thing I really don't like about it, and that's the fact that it's not in my garage. I'd love to have this. Well, that's been a lot of fun. An afternoon on the Yorkshire Wolds in the winter sunshine.